Now, one other thing that we can talk about with Saturn, because Saturn is going to be kind of an important part of this chart. Saturn has a number of connections in the chart, and one of them is a connection to the sun. So I'm going to highlight this line here. The sun and Saturn have almost a 90-degree angle, okay, which in astrology we call a square. And when the sun and Saturn are connected like this, it can often represent that a person feels that life is very heavy. In other words, it's someone who felt the weight of the world on their shoulders, like they had a lot of responsibility. It's not always a fun feeling either. I've seen this in a number of clients, and it can be people who work a lot, who feel like they're responsible for a lot of different people or things. It's not always pleasant. And so right away, when we see the sun, which represents your life force, which represents who you're trying to become, connected to Saturn, we can see that this person has the potential to have a pretty serious demeanor, and someone who potentially could also suffer from depression. Saturn, as a planet, does sometimes bring depression when it's connected to various parts of the chart, and the sun could be one of those. So we look at that sun Saturn and we're already saying, okay, this is a person who has the potential to feel like the weight of the world is on them.